Let's take a look at the ESP32 Marauder by Justcallmekoko with a slight modification added, the GPS. The GPS chip by AWOK Dynamics. Now, when I got this, it didn't have this chip installed, so I had to solder it in. Let's take a look at that. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is detach these antennas here. This one is the 2.4 gigahertz antenna, not the standard spot to put it. This is the GPS antenna, not the standard spot to put it. Normally when you get one of these, the 2.4 gigahertz antenna is on this side. And then you can even see right here, this says GPS right here. So I've switched them. It works better for me that way. Now the case, this lavender or purple case, is also by AWOK Dynamics. So I got the GPS chip, the cool sticker, and the case from AWOK. And I put it together on this ESP32 Marauder. Alright, we'll just take these, loosen them up a little bit, get this face off so you can see the chip, the GPS chip from AWOK. Now I do also have to warn you, not the greatest with a soldering iron. So please be kind. All right, so here it is. The batteries installed in there. This is the chip right here. So this GPS chip soldered right onto the Marauder board. And then the antenna, this copper, more copper looking antenna, going to the slot right here, the female SMB. And then the 2.4 gigahertz is right here. Now one thing I want to make sure I did open this up, I just want to make sure I've got this cable on here correctly. That's always can be difficult. You don't want to press too hard down on the board. I think I've got it, but we will find out. We'll stick this back on there and put the cover back on. Here we go. And we will screw these in here, and you don't need to do this too tight. It's not really a waterproof seal. And again, the case, AWOK, the GPS chip is specifically for the Marauder V6 and V6.1. This is a 6.1. And the sticker, the cool sticker that I dig. All right, let's get the antennas back in here. Not too tight with those as well. Get that. All right. And the SD card. Turn it on, see what happens. Now hopefully if the cable stayed connected and is connected, I did make sure it was connected in there, everything should work just fine. Let's see. And we can see on the top left here, that's a little satellite symbol, right? And 6 satellites we're connected to. And you'll notice the back here, is blinking. This is the AWOK Dynamics GPS chip in there, blinking away, telling us we're connected. It's a cool sticker. All right, let's check it out. Let's sniff some stuff, huh? Sniffers. All right, we can start Wardriving. I just don't want to give all my data away, right? And let's see if this is working. Oh yeah. It's giving me all that info. Cool. Come back here. Now after we've gotten some regular Wardriving information, we can get some station data. So I'll press station and it starts kind of putting that all together, what's connected to what. And it is giving that GPS information for sure, as well as the regular probes and sniffs. So we can just scan regular APs. There we go. We can do a regular station sniff. And all this data is being saved right on that little SD card right there. We can come back here. I always like to make sure that my Bluetooth is working. Great way to do that is to mess with my computer. Let's see what we can do. The Swift pair spam. Sometimes you gotta get kind of close. There it goes. It's going. So that's working. And of course, this is the Apple attack. So for the iPhone, this is the Windows attack, Samsung phone attacks, Google phone attacks. And this one is sometimes it's called the kitchen sink. This one will do all of them all at once, or keep doing them. Just keep doing them. Boom, boom, boom. Let's look at some Bluetooth. Oh, wait, no. We want to sniff. So we can Wardrive on that Bluetooth as well, which means I'm going to get Bluetooth information with GPS coordinates. Right? Detect card skimmers. It's a good, cool one. I have yet to use it, but I mean, you come in here with something, you come in to a place with something like this and start scanning, people might get a little freaked out. But it's all right. So that is the ESP32 Marauder by Justcallmekoko with the AWOK Dynamics GPS chip module board soldered on and a cool sticker.